Killer! You are sacked! Sorry for yourself! You want to kill me? Killer!
No, not that.
You are not a driver, you are a killer!
What is that mean? What is that?
This man is not a driver.
What did he do?
He's a killer.
What did he do?
If you see, as he drives on top mainland bridge, just be driving off.
Take it easy. Why would you pass the anger on me? Did I drive you? Take it easy.
This man will not drive me again.
Take it easy.
The first time, he tried to kill me. He missed it. The second time, he tried to kill me. He missed it. The third time, he tried to kill me. He missed it. This man,
It is okay. Take it. Come. What is that on him? What is David? David, do you know you are a very foolish man?
Yes.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Why would you miss it the first time? Miss it the second time? Miss it the third time? Look, listen to me and listen very clearly. Make sure you don't miss it the fourth time.
What did I say? You should not miss it the first time.
But wait,
so you want to kill me?
No, now, but you said it to your man that he missed it the first time, second time, third time. So I am encouraging him not to miss it the fourth time.
So, you are the killer.
Why will I be the killer?
You will see what I will do for you.
Wait, I have told you. Make sure you don't miss it the fourth time.
I will not miss it.
What do you say?
I will miss it. Look, I will slap your balls.
I will not miss
I will slap your.
I will miss it.
You will not.
I will not miss it.
What is wrong? Leave him alone.
Papa,
Leave him alone. I said he will not miss it the fourth time. He will not miss it. He will not miss it. He will not miss it. What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Why did you miss it the fourth time? You would have not missed it the fourth time. What is wrong with you? Just make sure you don't miss it the fourth time. Give away.
I will not miss it.
TOPE, come. We haven't finished this discussion because we must continue this talk. Why would you say not miss it the fourth time?
Hey, make una see, Papa TOPE don't come again.
Good afternoon, my fellow women.
Good afternoon.
WRM, power to the world. WRM, power to the world. Yes, thank you very much. As you all know, women's rights movement, WRM, has advised us to share housework with our husband. Yes. This meeting is for the quarterly report on our experiences so far. Okay? As for me, I handle my husband well. I make sure he does the laundry every day. And even washes my undies. Now, let's hear from the wives. WRM, power to the wives. WRM, power to the wives.
Hello, fellow wives and mothers. Thanks to Lady B that brought me to this association. I am so happy to be a member. Do you know right in my house now, my husband does all the house chores, washes all the dishes without complaining. Thanks to WRM. WRM!
Power to the wives! Lady B,
Yes,
your own experience.
I am already seated and ready to share my experiences. As you can see, I'm all rested and refreshed. Do you know? I'm so grateful to belong to this association. And I want to share with you that my husband is now my omodo. And you know what it means to be an omodo?
Yes.
He does everything I order.
Wow.
WRM.
Power to the wives. Over to you, Lolo Kim.
My name is Lolo Kim.
I can see.
As you can all see,
Yes.
my condition.
Fully loaded.
Oh yes.
So,
My husband has chores, all chores in the house. He washes the dishes, he cooks the food, he washes even my clothes.
Wow.
Even at night, he massages my leg.
As you see, I'm a working class lady. I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Before I get home, my husband would have prepared dinner. All I have to do is eat and go to bed. Can you see what this association has done to my life? Wow! You are
To my very own person.
Yes,
Mama Topsy.
WRM.
Power to the world.
WRM.
Power to the world.
And every year, WRM.
Power to the world.
My name is Yatope.
No. Sabi? Yes,
I asked Baba Tope to do every cleaning in the house. The first day, he does nothing. The second day, we do nothing too.
I hope you kept up with the pressure.
The third day, finally he do something.
I
He threw me out of the house. Now, I'm living in my nagging mother's house in the village.
Oh, Barry.
Without cooking, my sister. Me, living in my husband, my mother's house. Without chichi. Oh.
You sure don't spoil now.
WRM. I never hear WRM. Make una talk WRM.
Hey, make una see Papa Tope don't come again.
Hello, Julius. How are you? You are getting married. You are getting married. Congratulations. Oh, you want to come over? You want to come over? Yes, come over for dinner. Yes, you can come over for dinner. Julius is getting married. Yes, you are welcome anytime. Julius is getting married.
Baba Tope, who are you talking to on the phone? You're so excited, yo. I hear your voice from kitchen.
Oh, madam, you know, I invited a friend over for dinner.
You invite a friend?
Yes, who is it?
I'm the one.
Julius.
Yes, so good afternoon, sir.
Julius, how are you?
I'm very fine, yo.
How are you? You are getting married.
Yes, I'm very happy.
Go.
So soon?
So soon. Julius, come over there. Sit down. You
do all this.
You're asking me. Yatope, I want you to go and prepare dinner. We have a visitor.
Which dinner?
Dinner, dinner.
Which dinner?
Dinner.
Are you crazy? Do you drop any money? See all the house, the mess. The dishes are dirty. And I don't ready to do any cooking. Mr. Inspector. Dinner call. Dinner need.
Look, Otito, I know all that.
You know all that. And you invite a friend to come and eat dinner.
Look at him. Look at the poor man. Look at the poor young man. He's about to get married. He is about to get married.
Oshi Atamara.
You know Oshi. You said Oshi. Oshi, no. Nonsense.
What have I done?
What have you done? What have you done, Julius? Look, this is dinner. This is dinner. Shebi, you are about to get married. This is what marriage life is all about. Look at it. Scattered clothes, scattered bag, crazy wife. You saw her. Crazy wife. Look at those dishes. Everything. You are about to get married.
Make una see Baba talk where. Make una see Baba talk where. More than the mumu waiting saying yes sense. Sometimes he says they make sense, and sometimes he says no, they make sense. Oh, Baba talk where. Oh, Mama talk where. Oh, talk where. Oh, Mama Chike. Oh, Ndubisi. Oh, Efemena. All of them for the same community. Then go make you laugh.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.